Bonnie. You know me, Paris? That's a bird nest right there. Right there in that hole, right in that left part there. That's thingy. I'm gonna shake it and see if anything's gonna come out. Wait, no.
Polly, take a picture. What?
A bird. Guys, I saw a bird. I'm gonna do proof. Don't shake it. Don't shake it.
Why?
I got proof. It's right there. It's right here. Okay, that's the real proof of the birds. Okay, so I think it's making noise. It doesn't want to leave. So, yeah. So guys, shake it again. Right there. It's gonna never leave. It's a hard drive. It won't never leave.
Where you been? Get in here. Get in here.
It won't never leave. Kaden, the bird won't leave. The bird won't leave. I got that. The bird won't leave. It's a mission. The bird is right there. And when we shake it, it won't come out. Oh, look, a dragonfly. It's not gonna hurt you. A bee. It's gonna kiss you. That's not a dragonfly. It's not gonna hurt you. It's gonna kiss you. Look. Dragonfly. A dragonfly. Huh? Alright, bye guys.